Hello everyone. Welcome. Wow, I just discovered. Okay, someone just cut my spring onion over here. No, it's not cut by someone. I think it's pet by chicken. But never mind. Uh, yeah, I just realized one thing that we need not to upright them and poke them inside because nature is wonderful. Yeah, initially I upright them and I throw them in, and for some reason I think the rain, right, they toppled everything down, and you see, yeah, most of them germinate. Then yeah, you can see the roots, they actually can find their own way down. Yeah, nature is wonderful. And after the rain, you can see all the little creepy crawler is shifting house. Wow, looking forward for next week. Yeah, 2 weeks lah, I think. Then we can harvest them already, and it's the growth because the soil is well fertilizer by compost. Yeah, and well rested, and all the nutrients all give to the spring onion, and that's what we have now. So I don't think so I'm going to, okay, I have to shift over here. Yeah. So this is my spring onion. Nice, right? Okay, bye bye.